Hello, you guys. Today we challenge ourselves. As most of you know, Easter is coming up, right? And so I figured we'd do some more Easter-inspired eye looks. The other day I tried to do an Easter-inspired eye look using, actually, this palette right here. Hold on, give me 1 second. This right here, the Freshly Cut Flower Child palette, right? Yes, Freshly Cut Flower Child palette. This is from Rude Cosmetics. Look at those colors. Ooh, they're so beautiful. Beautiful pastels, amazing for like spring, Easter eye looks, right? This was gorgeous. If you didn't go see that short video, go look at it. I think I did a pretty damn good job for being a non-beauty guru. Either way, we're gonna test my skills today and use a fully glitter palette and see if we can do an Easter eye look using just glitter, no eyeshadow. I don't know. I seen this, let me pull this picture up. It's right here, this little eye look. I seen this when I opened my iPad and I was like, you know what? Let's try to do another look and see if we can do it. So I don't know. We're gonna test my skills and let's do it. Before we do get into this, I feel that I always need to give a disclaimer in any of these like makeup or beauty videos that I am not a beauty influencer or a beauty guru. So we're just here to have fun, try things out, and experiment with different products, okay? I'm very lucky and privileged that I get sent all of this stuff to be able to experiment and try things out for you guys. So if I can mess up my palettes and mess up makeup and experiment so you don't have to mess up your makeup for something that may not work, I love that. We're gonna do that, and we're just here to have fun, okay? So don't correct me if I'm doing something wrong. We have no rules. We go by no rules. We're here to have fun. All right, let's get into it. Kicking things off, for primer, I'm using the tried and true. If you guys have watched any of my other eyeshadow videos, this is what I always use, the Moira Glitter Primer. Now, this is the only thing I've ever used from their brand, but they are actually sending me a bundle of their eyeliners to try out, so I'm really excited to see how their other products work. So I don't know. Either way, their glitter primer is so good. I use it for regular eyeshadow, glitter eyeshadow, whatever. It's like super glue for eyeshadow. Okay, so we're gonna put it on here and we're gonna start with the crease first. Here is the picture again for you guys. I don't know, I'm gonna try to leave that up and do it at the same time so we can you can see the progress, but I'm gonna look at it on my iPad, you know what I mean? And I guess I should also say whose eye look this is. I ended up clicking the picture that was off of Google and it's from, I'll put her at right here, it's Makeup with Alex. So shout out to this girl. I just went to her Instagram and man, her eye looks are on fleek, baby. They look good. So thank you for the inspiration. We're using hers. Okay, we're gonna start off with the pink that's on the inner corner and just do like the crease first, right? Obviously that's a cut crease, but we're using glitter. There's no cutting anything. We're just gonna use this little angled brush. I think this is an eyebrow brush. What is this? Eyelash and Eyebrow 12. This is from the Mange brand. Okay, so for pink, I think we're gonna do this one right here called New Glitzy. It's like a pink and green shift. It's so hot. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Let's grab, oh, I'm new to this, guys, stop. Okay, we're gonna grab a little bit of this. Ooh, see how it works with the brush. Look at her. Oh, can you see? Wait, why do they do it? Wait, stop. Look at this. Ooh, don't mind my nails. I'm a nail biter and I can't do anything about it, okay? All right, let's try, period. Wait. Let's try to cut this crease, baby. Ugh. Again, this might not be the best eye look ever. I'm no beauty guru, so we're trying. And if I can make it look decent, then you can probably make it look amazing. So, all right, we're gonna dive in and we're gonna try to do this cut crease, baby. Also, if you didn't see my short, I did order bees, and I'm so excited. They should be here by the end of the month, and you guys, we're gonna have bee videos of harvesting bees and stuff. Okay, that's kind of cute. What is that looking like? That's looking not half bad, but she went a little bit further out. Okay, kind of to like right here. Okay, and then we do like the purple wing. All right. Okay, look at this. But then I close my eyes and it's like almost gone. I have hooded eyes, like semi-hooded eyes, so not a lot of real estate. Now we're gonna go with this one right here. Oh, she's mysterious. This is called Orglam for Oregon. Also, wait, I didn't even say what this palette was. This is the United Shades of Glitter palette. I'm sure you guys remember me talking a lot about this, but if you didn't, oh, we made plenty of videos trying all these out. Anyways, the United Shades of Glitter palette from Rude Cosmetics. It's relatively affordable. It's like 20 something bucks, I think. And I mean, look at these. They look so good. Even better when you know what you're doing, but you know, you know the drill. Look at that though. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's see how this wing comes out. Oh my gosh. That's kind of cute. Can we, is it gonna be blendable? Can we like blend this a little bit and have it somewhat of a ombre, or is it just gonna be like harsh lines? I don't know. Oh, it's hidden. It's hidden from the hood. Okay, let's get a little bit more. Where's she? Oh, she really went out. Okay. Oh wait, I think we're going a little bit higher than her. Just a little bit. Okay, let's keep it to like right there. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's cute. That's cute. Okay, she brought it. She did bring it down, so we're still on the purple. So we're just, excuse you. We're losing some product. It's okay. I didn't put any primer down here. I was not prepared to do this. Okay. Right. Okay. We finished off that. Now I want to do, I don't know. A lot of people say start on the inner corner. Again, we're not here to follow any rules. We have no rules. I'm doing this just because I want to do this, right? So I think I want to start on the outside and work our way in and just fill in the color now. And it looks like she has a darker blue right, starting at, the end right here, and then a lighter blue after it, and then it goes green, yellow, and like a salmon peachy pink or something. So I think, I don't know, for blue, this one, and then we'll do this, the darker and then lighter. But I do have this one right here, but they're just so similar. I want some contrast. Okay, let's do this one. All right, this is called Iowa for Iowa, baby. Shout out Iowa. Okay, so far we've used New Glitzy for New Jersey, I guess. Orglam for Oregon, and now Iowa. Iowa. So, all right, let's see. She did it to like right here and then switched to the other blue. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. I went right over the purple. Oh my God. We're gonna try to fix this up. We're gonna try to make it look pretty. Right now we're just like, filling in things and doing the outline and stuff. Oh my God, I'm ruining it. I'm ruining it. Oh my God, what's new? Not gonna lie, I tried to remove the blue and go ahead and try this one right here called Mine Is So Yeah. But it just didn't work out and it really didn't look that good because once you take it off, I don't know if you can see it, it's actually not blue, but like a very light purple, and it wasn't right. Either way, now we're gonna go in with I-O-U Want. So this one right here, this blue, to contrast that one because she's got a little bit of a lighter blue next to the one we just put on. So we're gonna take this and oh, Aquamarine. Oh my God, we're losing. Oh my God, come here, come here. Shove it on there. All right, Aquamarine. And now we need to save enough room to have what other colors? Oh my God, I switched to another picture. Oh my God, it's going through her Instagram now. What is going on? Green, yellow, and pink. Okay, so we need enough room for green, yellow, and like a salmon pink. Okay, so we just need to fill this in right here. I guess you can somewhat see the contrast between the two colors, like if you look like really hard. But they're just so close. Or actually, they're not actually so close, but they're so close. Do you see how similar they are? Trying to be a smart ass and can't even get my words out. Shut up. Okay, now. This is me. This is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Wait, what? Gonna let the light shine on me. That's right, baby. Okay. Anyways, on the skin, it looks a mess. Oh my God. Don't let me become your makeup artist, baby. You're gonna go out looking like Weird Barbie. That seems to be the vibe we go for on every look now, huh? A little patchy. From far away, it's not bad. Just squint. But on the skin, it does look very similar. In the palette, obviously, we used this color right here and this one right here. So they're not really the same color, but let's try to build it a little bit more to see if we can contrast them. Now, while I build this on here, I do want to say something that happened, I think it was last night. Somebody that I used to go to school with that wasn't very nice to me in school because, kids don't like gay kids for some reason, you know, or whatever. Just if you're a little bit different, you get bullied, and that's okay. It made me a thicker skin and made me who I am today, so I'm very grateful for my bullies. Thank you so much. But one of them actually reached out to me and apologized for the way that they treated me back in school because, you know, we were kids and kids are kids and you grow and evolve and people change, you know. So I thought that was really nice. And if you are watching this, I do want to say thank you for reaching out. Even though I really don't remember half the stuff that happened in high school, I kind of blocked it all out and also wasn't even there. So yeah, I do appreciate you reaching out and saying sorry for stuff that you did. And I've done the same thing to teachers and stuff, reached out and found them on Facebook and was like, hey, sorry for, you know, being a little butt in school. You know, it's like when you grow up, you realize why the teachers are so strict and why they are the way that they are. They want you to learn. It is so important to actually focus in school. And yeah, so I don't know. I thought that was very sweet. Thank you for reaching out if you do watch this video. Okay, after building it a bit more, you definitely can see some more of that contrast between the two shades, but we've lost the purple. We'll try to build that back. Now, let's go to what is the next shade? Green. Oh, I feel so bad. I'm losing so much product on here. Wait, can we put it back in the pan? A little bit. Okay, I kind of got it back in there. For green, her green is a little bit lighter than mine, but we're going in with this one right here, and it looks, I mean, like, this is Elphaba's Wet Dream, honestly. This is called Wiz Glitzen. Yeah. So we're gonna take this one. Look at this. Oh my God, wait. Look at my hand, sorry. I've been, look at that. Oh my God, baby. Oh. All right, now we're gonna take this one, and we still need room for yellow and pink. I kind of took up a lot of room with that blue, but let's see. Oh wait, do I have primer? I did put primer, okay. Just making sure. Oh. This one is so wet for some reason. I don't know why. It's like a lot more movable than the other ones. Look at that. Can we see that? Ooh. Either I'm too optimistic or we really are getting somewhere. I mean, oh my gosh, this looks like a mess. I love it. Uh, now we'll do yellow and we're gonna, oh wait, that green, okay. Yeah, we said the name of the green, Wiz Glitzen. This is called Can Make the Cut, the yellow one right here. Ooh, lemon drop, baby. Okay, we're gonna take this one and dab her. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna have to fix the crease line, but it's okay. It's okay. You can't even see it next to that green. It's on my lash. You can't even tell that it's yellow. It just still looks green. So we're gonna go ahead and just do the last shade, that salmon color. And I'm thinking the best one for this would be Georgia. This shade right here. Maybe, I don't know. It has like an undertone of like a green teal kind of like. Look at that. Okay. We're gonna stick home. Oh my God, don't get in my eye, please. Oh. I don't know if this, wait. Hold on, I can't let it get in my eye. Okay, look at that. That would have been in my eye. Do not do this at home, okay? Trained professional here. Right. So now, I mean, that completes the color. I don't know. I do like how this turned out though, the green and the blues. The yellow and the pinky salmon just didn't really come out. But I want to try to fix this like crease line, maybe make it a little bit higher, a little bit more extravagant so we can actually see some of that. Like this is what I'm talking about. Yes, just bring it up close to the brow bone. Okay, right there. That's where we have the purple going, and then we'll finish this off right here. What's on the brush? Right, looking a fool. Okay. Oh, she also has pink under the eye. And we gotta put some down here too. Right, right. Wait, no, yes, because what? Right, pop off. Okay, hold on, wait. Now we go back in with the purple or glam. Hold on. She's cooking. Let her cook. Let her cook. Oh. Just stick that right there. Don't mind that. And we're gonna take this Oh yes, look, now you can see it. Well, here we are with the finished product, and this is definitely a look, to say the least. This is what we're working with. It looks very, very crazy. Then again, it's glitter. I think that that's like a pro thing right there. Glitter is obviously very hard to work with. I want to try this now. I might do a part two and try to redo this as an actual eyeshadow look to see if we can do it with eyeshadow, but I don't know, you guys. I'm sure you could do it a lot better. If you do want to check this palette out, though, I'll have it somewhere linked, either in the video or down in the description if I can't link it in the video. If you want to try it out for yourself, not the eye look, but the palette, because I don't know about this. Well, as always, I love you guys so much. Let me know what you would like to see next, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.